Hi everyone, my name is Hannah Matson, and today I'm going to be telling you a little bit more about saunas. So I'm going to be using the word sauna, which is a Finnish pronunciation. In American culture, it's usually pronounced sauna. So saunas were first invented in Finland over 2,000 years ago, and the earliest types were called smokehouses. And these were essentially pits dug into the ground where a fire would be started, and then once it was warm, the fire would be put out, the smoke could be vented, and then the heat was left behind for people to enjoy. Saunas are very common in Finland, with almost every single household having one. Even some dorms, some restaurants will have a sauna. There are advantages. It has been proven to help with cardiovascular health. It also provides relaxation and lowers stress. It can help to ease muscle aches and pains. It increases restful sleep. And it's very good for your skin as you'll sweat out toxins. And it can be mixed with an ice bath for added benefits for cardiovascular health and circulation. There are some disadvantages to saunas, some of which can be caused from like a systemic condition someone may have that they're not aware of. Mostly you just need to monitor yourself, not shock your body with heat all at once, kind of take it slow, and stay hydrated. So there are different types of saunas. The first one we discussed earlier, the smoke sauna, which is an old version. And then you have traditional, which is typically a small room made of wood and heated by a wood stove. So there's rocks that are piled on top of the wood stove, and these heat to a certain point, and then when water is poured on top of the rocks, it releases heat and steam into the room and heats it up. There will be staggered benches with any sort of sauna style where the top bench is the warmest. Electric saunas are newer and very popular. So they are basically the same concept to traditional, except you don't have to start the wood stove. So it's a little easier. And the same with traditional, you pour water on the hot rocks and get the same effect. So, what is sauna etiquette and where do you find one? So, it's very normal in European and especially in Finland for people to take a sauna naked or with very little clothes. This is just customary and seen as completely normal. So the same thing here in America, you can separate by gender, you can wear your bathing suit, you can wear a towel, whatever's comfortable really. The only steps that are involved in having a sauna are number one, heating it up, whether you're doing traditional or electric, and then you're going to pour water on the rocks and then just enjoy the heat. So it's important to take breaks and monitor how you're feeling, monitor how long you've been in. And in Finnish culture, something called a vita may be used. So this is a bundle of birch branches, and you basically just whip the skin lightly and it helps circulation. Saunas have definitely increased in popularity all over the world. There's more and more studies that are happening showing that there's health benefits between taking sauna and cardiovascular health, and it's becoming popular with celebrities. Many saunas are built into Finnish and European homes and buildings, and it may you may start to see them more in America as they become more popular. So if you ever have a chance, I definitely recommend giving it a try and enjoy. Thank you for listening.